Imagine for a moment that the world around you is not as solid as it seems. That everything, from the ground you walk on to the very thoughts in your mind, is in a state of constant motion, an intricate dance of energy. This is the essence of one of the most profound and enigmatic principles of the universe, the law of vibration. This universal law declares that nothing is truly still. Everything at every level of existence is vibrating at a unique frequency. This idea is not just a mystical concept from ancient teachings, but a principle deeply embedded in modern science. From the hermetic wisdom of the ancients to the cutting-edge discoveries of quantum physics, the notion that all things are in perpetual motion has been a key to unlocking the mysteries of reality itself. The foundation of the law of vibration. The law of vibration is one of the fundamental principles of the Hermetic tradition, attributed to Hermes Trismegistus. It asserts that motion is the fundamental nature of all existence. There is no absolute stillness. At its core, this principle reveals that what we perceive as solid matter is, in fact, energy vibrating at different frequencies. Ancient civilizations across the world understood this truth in their own ways. In Hindu philosophy, the sacred sound Om is believed to be the primal vibration that gave birth to the cosmos. The ancient Egyptians and Greeks studied how aligning oneself with the vibratory nature of the universe led to wisdom and harmony. Even Heraclitus, the Greek philosopher, declared that change is the only constant in life. From a Hermetic perspective, vibration serves as a bridge between the seen and unseen, the material and the spiritual. Everything, from physical objects to thoughts and emotions, possesses its own vibrational frequency. This concept forms the foundation for understanding how energy shapes our reality. Matter, energy, and frequency. The physical world, as we perceive it, is an illusion of solidity. In truth, it is composed of energy vibrating at different rates. Modern physics confirms what the ancients intuited. All matter is made up of atoms, and these atoms are in a state of ceaseless motion. Albert Einstein famously stated that energy and matter are interchangeable, as expressed in the equation E equals mc squared. This means that everything around us, including ourselves, is a manifestation of vibrating energy. Quantum physics takes this understanding further. Subatomic particles, which make up everything in existence, behave not as fixed entities but as dynamic waves of probability, appearing and disappearing based on observation. This directly aligns with the Hermetic perspective. Matter is not static, but a temporary condensation of energy in constant flux. The connection between vibration and consciousness. If all physical matter vibrates, then what about thoughts and emotions? Science has shown that even our mental and emotional states have measurable frequencies. Neuroscientists have discovered that our brain waves shift depending on our state of mind. Alpha waves are associated with relaxation and creativity. Beta waves dominate during logical thinking and problem solving. Theta waves emerge in deep meditation and heightened intuition. Gamma waves correspond with states of profound insight and enlightenment. The HeartMath Institute has conducted studies revealing that the human heart generates a powerful electromagnetic field, which fluctuates based on our emotions. Positive emotions like love, gratitude, and joy create harmonious frequencies, while negative emotions such as fear and anger produce chaotic vibrations. This suggests that our thoughts and feelings don't just impact us internally but influence the external world as well. Harnessing vibrational energy to shape reality. If vibration is the key to creation, then aligning with higher frequencies allows us to shape our reality. This idea is the foundation of the law of attraction, which suggests that like attracts like, our internal vibrations draw similar energies from the universe. Several techniques can help elevate our vibrational state. Mindful awareness, choosing thoughts and words that align with higher frequencies. Meditation and breath work, calming the mind and syncing with universal rhythms. Nature connection, aligning our frequency with the natural world's pure energy. Diet and physical well-being, consuming high vibrational foods, such as fresh fruits and vegetables, can impact our energy levels. Acts of love and compassion, emitting the highest vibrational frequency. Unconditional love. Spiritual implications of vibration. As we elevate our vibrational state, we become more attuned to intuition, synchronicities, and deeper spiritual insights. Many mystics and sages describe enlightenment as reaching a frequency where the illusion of separation dissolves, and one experiences oneness with all existence. The concept of raising vibration is found in many traditions. In Buddhism, the state of samadhi represents the highest level of meditative absorption, where one vibrates in complete harmony with the universe. In Hermeticism, the highest goal is to transcend the lower frequencies of physical existence and attune to the divine essence of creation, applying the law of vibration in everyday life. Now that we understand we have the power to modify our reality by altering our own frequency, the next step is to learn how to apply this knowledge in practice. Here are a few simple methods. Mindful words and thoughts. Our words and thoughts shape the type of vibration we emit. Meditation practice. Meditation is a practice that allows us to adjust and elevate our personal vibration. Connecting with nature. Nature possesses pure and balanced vibrations. Diet and physical health. What we consume directly impacts our vibration. By cultivating elevated thoughts, pure emotions, and a connection with the higher self, we vibrate in harmony with creation. This is the true essence of the spiritual journey, raising our vibration until it resonates with that of the cosmos, allowing us to experience unity, universal love, and connection with the all. Conclusion. The law of vibration is more than just a philosophical concept. It is a universal truth that governs all aspects of reality. By understanding and aligning with this principle, we can master our energy, shape our experiences, and elevate our consciousness. As we become aware of our vibrational nature, we recognize that we are not merely passive observers in this universe. We are active participants, co-creators of our destiny. The universe moves to the rhythm of vibration, and so do we. By tuning ourselves to the highest frequencies, we align with the true essence of existence, unlocking a deeper connection with the cosmos. Thank you for watching.